What them a go do ya now? NEWLINK and the attack now. Bring a old chain setter. NEWLINK. So Lord, make my fear. Protect my soul, God, and man with the mercy. Talk to me.
Bless up my viewers and subscribers. Big up yourself, man. I don't know, so the attacking boss there. And a NEWLINK from NEWLINK Production. And I mean say attack. Some viewers and subscribers, may I tell us a boy, dancehall artist Jashi, my people. Jashi. Yo, boy, you know, so from Jashi did come some people and do that ear thing there. A big things are going on with Jashi and the police, them my people. It seem like no peace, no did the fame in the people. Are just pure destruction and consumption and ransom. Jaja sees, Jaja knows. So, a piece of clip now, my people, when I say gone viral now. Zine, with Jashi comes a boom now, and basically they are court them say for the Monday, you know, my people. Zine, and them say, when they are court for our people, have a breach the whole, you know what I mean, disaster preparedness thing with the COVID, this and that, my people, curfew orders and something. And them say, Jashi alongside 6 crew member, them people, them charge 50,000 each. Jaja sees, Jaja knows. Well, we know Jashi is a dancehall artist, people break through dancehall artists and thing. I was seeing come forward and say, yo, I might eat him food, I might make him do one thing and him nice up, zine. But people, on a real level, do you think Jashi was dealt with fear? If you slap with 50,000 alongside 6 friend them that are 315 because you have multiply 7 by 50 grand at 350 grand that Jaja sees, Jaja knows attacking boss. Some people, let me just play that. Look how seconds a clip here. You understand? With Jashi and you will see look thing or go on and think or somebody managed to the people and get a little glimpse of the thing. So just look on this, my people.
Watch it now, baby. Watch it now, baby.
Some viewers and subscribers, as you can see, as you can look, my people, that's dancehall artist Jashi, and he wasn't pleased at all, my people. He didn't feel good about the whole thing, and on a real level, people, no joke about it, people. Serious level. Me not blame him. You understand? He have to feel away, my people. When you look into the whole thing, my viewers and subscribers, him have to feel away. Because me know where Jashi are praying now, people, and him look deep and say, you know, say, yo, the man them definitely have me as a target. You know, say, I just them police and I like me. You know, say, them police and I rape my people. And that's all me can say, people. The system, for once that hear something that got drop my people, we see y'all break close. Every time you hear Jashi name call, you know what I mean? You always in something bad. With police, Jaja sees, Jaja knows. But on a real level, people, I want more look into what I want to say. You know, say system, the right for real. Because look for flight green now, people. No, put fun and joke aside. How much them charge flight green, my people? When we know say as a minister, my people, we're in the parliament. Zine, we should know the right thing, I should not do the right thing. And we see where party are go on, my people, you know. Then the time the others did strict, you know. Zine, and what? $0 in pay. But for a young local youth now, my people, you understand 50 grand plus the other youth them. No, man. He didn't deal with fear, my people. You understand? He didn't deal with right. I mean, understand him feel, my people. You know what I mean? Me understand him feel. He must feel away. No matter if he could appear 50 grand a million times, he have to feel away, people. And I see a lot of other people who breach the same thing and only thing they maybe charge them a 2 grand, 10 grand, 1. You understand? But boy, no, I just bad luck on this youth aside every time, my people. I mean, I talk the truth. Me understand say right is right and truth is truth. But me don't say my people, me not say enough to charge him. But me not think say them should charge him so much. You understand? Especially if you know when other member, big man in a parliament, stay so boom, and do for them thing, people, how much them charge him? $0. But for the local youth now, the artists, I tell the people, friend, there's something that got drop my people, and they go mention certain thing about pow. Oh my world, oh my precious NEWLINK, that's so it there. See, you see him like when Spice and Nika say can't trust the pow, the pow, so me can't trust the pow, the pow. No joke, you cannot trust the pow. Eh? Boy, Jashi, I want him to have a set to your youth. He's a very talented youth. Yes, I me see you have the potential for the music. You know what I mean? But, you know, upon a level, Jashi, me just think, say, yo, you have to say, revise now the book look more, and just, you know, keep focus on your music, see you. But certain things, you know, just watch it flex. Just watch it flex. You know what I mean? Just tranquilo with certain things. Take it easy. You know what I mean? Yeah, man, because upon a level, Jashi, we don't see them have aspire. You understand them have aspire, youth. And you see in them time, yeah, we as youth, we have to be wise and smart now. We can't make the system get a better of us, especially when they come from the ghetto. You know what I mean? From nothing to something. I'm proud of the artist, my people. I'm proud to see how him rise up. I'm proud to see him do music thing, my people. I'm proud to see how him thing grow. But yo, the system definitely now want to see him grow. No joke about it, my people. So Jashi, big up yourself, my youth. Continue do your thing. And you don't know, see from me, the attacking boss, and me I say, yo, youth, the road is the phone. But people, honestly, them not deal with them right. Them not deal with them fair and straight. Attack for that. Attack for that. Me not support wrongdoer, my people. Me not support evildoer. You understand that? Me not support people and give, when they do you wrong, I'm going to give you right. But when I real of people and look into the whole thing, you know. You understand? Not because he's a young youth and you know, say him sing some song about God and about this. I hear him talk. But people, but I real of it. Do you think he was dealt with fear? No. When other people are doing the same thing, yo, Judge see, Judge knows. But people, big up in the cell, man. Remember to do, please like, please share, please comment, and do subscribe. Follow me on Instagram and Facebook and Twitter, NEWLINK Production, official attacking boss. You don't know my people are one team, in a one scheme, one dream, one attacking boss. Peace out, my people. And big up to all of my viewers and subscribers over the world. Any one of them are people. You don't know, say what? NEWLINK love you all. Peace out. Attack them, NEWLINK.